Doing a quick video of my 2020 Challenger Hellcat REDEYE. Show you the dash. You got the REDEYE's got the 220 mile-an-hour speedometer. You got paddle shift. You got all kinds of gauges up here. Really too much to list. Just a whole lot of stuff going on up here. Just about everything you can think of. So, and over here's your controls. You got a pretty killer stereo in here. It's got the Carmen hardened stereo with 16 speakers, 2 woofers in the trunk, ordered from the factory like that. Killer stereo. Anyway, up here you got your climate, you got air conditioning, heated seats, heated steering wheel, all that good stuff in a high performance car. Pretty amazing. You got all that all ordered. You got your apps right here. You got your SRT, you got your dashboard. Anyways, you got drive modes, auto, custom, sport, track. I usually drive in sport. That's 797 horsepower, a little over 8 right now with the exhaust modification I did this morning. Over here you got track mode, which is for racing. You got race options, you got launch control, you got a chiller that cools down the supercharger. You got shift lights so you don't over rev. You got race cool down. So those, it says the hood's ajar because it is, because I don't want the car to get warm. It's running right now. And so you got all those different settings, and then over here you got settings. You got performance that takes a minute to upload. You got sunroof that was ordered with the car. You got the real nice leather interior stitching, the SRT badges, super nice laid out interior. Got the interior upgraded with the car. You got your back seat. It ain't got a lot of room in it, but it's still back seat nonetheless. So now we got the settings. Right now it's on dyno. It's got a built-in dyno. You got engine gauges, you got torque, you got power, you got boost pressure, you got G-forces, you got gauges, all different kinds of gauges. You got timers for the racetrack, whatever you want to do. The highest speed, what your speed was, you can do quarter mile, eighth of a mile, whatever. You got your other gauges right here. You got all your typical stuff, Wi-Fi, hotspot, all the stuff you got on a new car. Lots of different stuff. So that's pretty much the inside of the car. Pretty sweet. So we're gonna go out and look at the outside real quick, do a quick walk around. The car has ceramic coating on it. Had that done immediately. You got your red Hellcat badge right there, REDEYE. You got your bimbo brakes. You got your Hellcat inside your amber light right there. Those are for air. You got your functional hood scoops. You got your big tires and wheels. Your other REDEYE Hellcat badge. Interior from the outside. Like I said, ceramic coating makes it real nice, especially for black. You got your silver wheels ordered. Here's what it sounds like from the back. You got your SRT badge back here. Back here, you got your 2 subwoofers in the trunk. Your Carmen hardened right there. Still got the plastic on it. The car's only got 140 miles on it. You got your battery. Already got a battery changer on it because the car is not a daily driver. It's a weekend only car. It's not the car you take to Walmart and leave in the parking lot or go to the movie theater in. It's just not. So we're going to take a look under the hood. You got your supercharged Hemi. Anyway, that's pretty much the walk around of the car. I do have an escort radar detector. I don't drive crazy for the most part. Anyways, that's kind of a picture. We're out here at the lake today. My wife's sitting over there on the bench, shooting some videos, taking a few pictures of the car. This is close to where we live. We live just on the other side of this water over here. Close. Anyway, that is the 2020 Challenger Hellcat REDEYE. A little over 800 horsepower with the exhaust modification, as I said this morning. And it is super fast and super fun to drive. After all the Corvettes I've owned, this car is awesome. Killer stereo. Anyway, turn that down before somebody gets mad. So anyways, that is it. Thank you for watching.